Yeah.
So I think the blue is like heavier than the purple. Just kind of...
There is a density issue, yeah. So sometimes I also like to pour it down the side of the cup just so it doesn't totally sink to the bottom. But the blue's going to be strong too, so I wouldn't use too much.
Okay, and then just white on top of that?
Uh-huh. Are those your only colors? You could also do like multiple, like white, and then do another layer of each color if you want.
The white, it's also going down to the bottom though.
Yeah, the white's definitely the densest, it will. It's okay, because whatever's on bottom is going to end up on top when you flip it, you know?
I don't want to use too much white because I want to save it. It's just practice, whatever. And so then... How much white should I do around? Just like...
That much around the whole thing, and then I'll check it out and see. Whoa, watch yourself there. You could be a little more generous. Just a full ring all the way around. Yeah, the bottom and the top need a little more. And you might want to do a little bit more on the sides just because it's got to flow all the way up. You're out of white, so that's fine. I might go ahead and try to like hold the cup and tilt it around before you let it go so that the white spreads out a little bit. Yes, lift it up and just let the white spread from side to side a little bit. That'll just assist once you let the paint go, because otherwise you have a surface tension issue and it just doesn't want to flow. All right, I think you're ready. Woo! Beautiful.
I feel like I could add a little bit more white.
If you still have that stir stick, you can sort of smooth this out a little so that it will flow into that a little bit more. Because as you can see, it sort of gets caught wherever there isn't paint. It doesn't want to go anywhere. Did you do the silicone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I see what you mean. It's like it's not like...
So I guess since this is your practice, one thing I would suggest for next time would be double your amount of white that you mix up.
Yeah. It looks like marble.
It's pretty. You can just take that stick or your finger and smooth it out on the sides, and then I would just let it sit for a few minutes and see if some of the cells develop.
I'm gonna try to get the paint to like all four corners.
The corners are the trickiest part, and I've seen a lot of people online have moved to like circles or hearts for that reason, but I don't know, I just don't, I think that looks old-fashioned to do circular.
Because like this, it's not going over here to this bottom corner.
You got a pretty cool stripe going on over there.
I see what you mean though, like by needing more white and like stuff like that. And also it seems like it's like spread around a lot, like it's stretched thin.
Sometimes some of the most beautiful stuff you get is when you do stretch it thin, because then, like if there were cells, they would get really big. But yeah, it helps to have, I might even suggest next time just coat the whole thing in white. Not where the cup is, but around where it's not.
But I just only have so much white. And I guess I could $6.
Do you not have a full tube of white?
I do.
Yeah.
Because that's not fair to somebody else who can lose that spot.
Yeah, it's not really stretching out anymore.
Alright, so let it sit and just see if some of the cells develop.
That's cool looking.
Yeah, you can wash up in the meantime.
Because that's what happened this year with I hate